Welcome everyone. Today we're talking about EtherBank. It's a DeFi Dapp. It's kind of like Ether Gold. It's been up for, well, let's see. Let's hit the contract. Don't want to lie to y'all. It's got $317,000 in there, almost 800 Ethereum. I was told about it probably 4 days ago, and it's kind of like, nah, this could be another one of those pump and dumps. But it really hasn't been. Been getting pinged about it every day, and I finally jumped into it today. So I didn't go heavy. Well, I went heavy. Not really heavy. We'll go not really heavy. It's basically the set up the same way. They do have a backup exchange, which is nice. Backup website. So contract balance, obviously, the buy price is currently at $1.72. When I was told about it, it was at 50 cents. So I think there was 11 Ethereum in it in the contract when I was told about it. So it has grown magnificently over the last 3 days, and at the rate it's growing, I expect it to be over 1,000 Ethereum in the contract balance. So I say that it'll be there tonight, maybe tomorrow. May take 24 hours, but it'll hit the 1,000 mark. A lot of the people I'm talking to say that there's going to be 5,000 in the contract. So I went ahead and jumped in a little early. I bought a half an Ethereum's worth. Gave me 515 coins. So I've been in maybe 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes, and I've already got some dividends. This is the first video. Haven't posted my referral link anywhere yet. So have no dividends for that. Pretty simple to use. Put the amount you want to deposit right there, hit buy, and then if you ever want to sell, you just grab that number, put it in right there, and hit sell. And then you can either reinvest your ETH dividends or withdraw your ETH and dividends. You can also transfer tokens if you're wanting to do that. They got a quick little guide down here. It's really pretty simple to use. As long as you have your coins in your MetaMask, it's pretty standard. So, again, I went in with a half an Ethereum. I'm one way or the other on this one. Hopefully I got in early enough that it'll continue to grow and make me some crypto. So I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. I do have a video coming out here in like 4 or 5 hours on CNR, so check that out when it comes out. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. I will talk to you later. Bye.